My name is John, and today, well, Margot Robbie posted on Instagram earlier a fantastic picture of her back as Harley Quinn. Well, the Birds of Prey teaser is here, and I'm about to watch it for the very first time. It's only 20 seconds long, something like that. But hey, there should be canny. I hope so, because I really like Suicide Squad. I know a lot of people didn't, but yeah, here we go. Ooh. Baseball bat. Short but sweet. Man, that was cool. I liked it. I'm probably going to have to watch that again, I think. Crossbow. Man, that's just too much to take in at such a short moment in time. But I'm liking the new outfit. Cool. I know Suicide Squad wasn't to everyone's taste, but I really liked it. There were some bits that weren't very good, but there were some bits that were absolutely outstanding. And hopefully this is going to be even better, because girl power. So rock and roll. I enjoyed it. Fingers crossed it's going to be good. I've got faith. Got faith in Margot. She's a good actress. She's brilliant in Mary, Queen of Scots. Even with the pox face. Still beautiful. Rock and roll. Hey!